What does it mean when we divide a number by a fraction? This means how much or how many of blank is in blank. Dividing a number by a fraction is simply explained by that statement. Also, you can think of it as how many of blank can I fit into blank. For 3 divided by 1/2, the answer is 6, because you can say, I can fit 6 1/2 into 3. As you can see by the picture on the bottom of the screen, there are 3 rectangles, each divided in half, and then you go back and you count how many halves there are, and there are 6. In the problem 4 divided by 1/4, you can say how many 1/4 are in 4, or how many 1/4 can I fit into 4. Each circle at the bottom of the screen is divided into fourths, and there are 4 circles, so how many fourths are there altogether? And there are 16. So what does it mean to divide a number by a fraction? All you have to do is ask yourself the 2 simple questions, how many or much of blank is in blank? And you can also ask yourself, how many blanks can I fit into blank? Alyssa will now talk about fractions divided by fractions and fractions divided by whole numbers.
Okay, so like she said, when dividing a number by a fraction, it's asking you how much or many of blank is in blank. We're going to start off with a fraction divided by a whole number, 1/2 divided by 3. Okay, so you have your half of the hexagon circled in red, and then divided by 3. So you see 3 triangles that make up the half, and then each of those triangles are 1/6 each. Therefore, 1/2 divided by 3 equals 1/6. And this is basically the same thing as 3 times blank, just the 1/2. So in relating it back to what does it mean when you divide a number by a fraction, remember, it means it's just asking how many or how much of blank is in blank. Or in this case of the fraction being divided by the whole number, what number occurs in this fraction this many times? Next, you have your 1/2 divided by 1/6. This is basically the same as asking how many 1/6 are in 1/2. Okay, so again, you have your 1/2 circled in red, and each triangle represents 1/6, and there's 3 of those triangles in the half, so 3 1/6. Therefore, 1/2 divided by 1/6 equals 3. Now we have 2/3 divided by 1/6. Okay, I just want to say that it doesn't matter what method you pick, inverted multiply, make the common denominators the same, then divide the numerators, pattern blocks, whatever. You're going to get the same answer, and the same results will lead you to the conclusion that when you divide a number by a fraction, it's asking you how much or many of blank is in blank. Okay, I'm going to use the inverted multiply method for this. 2/3 divided by 1/6. Okay, you're going to change that to 2/3 times 6/1. So 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3, of course. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. You're going to get that for all the methods. You don't. You did something wrong. going to be the same for any of the methods, because 2/3 divided by 1/6 is asking you, again, how many 1/6 are in 2/3? Imagine a hexagon in your mind. We have 2 out of 3 parts shaded. That makes 6 triangles total. Okay? So 6 minus 2, because one of the sections are shaded. We have 4 triangles left. So you have 4 1/6 and 2/3. So, hey, there you go.